Hi, Emmanuel. Hi,
Yeah, hello.
Emmanuel. Yeah, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Awesome, awesome. Good to have you here. Yeah, so quickly we would like you to more like share your experience in the Analytics Sage Code 5 program and also the mentorship program. So firstly, I want you to introduce yourself. Yeah.
Okay, so my name is Emmanuel, and I am a partnership lead for Analytic, and I also do Web3 marketing. So, and in the course of my journey, I also understand there is this so much obsession around vanity metrics. So
Mm,
it wasn't clear what I can do differently.
mm,
Understand? But when I saw the advert for the Code 5 mentorship cohorts, so I was like, oh, this is what I need. So going through the website and everything, I knew that yes, the what Analytics Sage is proposing to offer what is worth it. So I joined the class, and on the very first day, and I know there is value here. I so yeah.
awesome. Awesome. That's a good one. So how did the Code 5 training set you up for success in blockchain analytics? So when you look at the journey now, how did the Code 5 training set you up for success?
So I think it's a huge advantage, I must say. It's a huge advantage. Let me just first of all commend you guys. I mean, it's me being natural, and uh, I want to seize this opportunity to say it. It's not always every time you come into a program and the tutor and all the other tutors, everybody in the system wants you to succeed. They are setting you up to succeed. Even when you are sliding, you don't have every other option that to like.
Yeah.
So that's which Thompson. So coming to your question, currently I have 3 dashboards uh,
Okay.
that are built, and I remember I applied for a job recently. This is just me trying to be practical. I applied to a
Yeah.
job. It was a mixture of marketing, growth, and analytics. So when I sent my CV, the person was like, "I like what you are doing." So, but the experience, like now, I sent my CV. I had the normal work. Then I now have an advantage with my dashboard.
Yeah.
You understand? And it was at the top of my check me out on June. So I now have that advantage. So the person said, okay, the particular offer now is you cannot do it based on you don't have the like 5 years experience. But we can bring you in as an intern. So we almost scheduled the call. But the reason why that didn't work out was because the person is from Japan and they're not using Google Meet.
English.
They're not using
Oh.
Google Meet. So
eh,
the whole night, I was really angry at myself that day because they call like the version of Google Meet they use, I couldn't set it up. I don't know what was the problem, but I couldn't set it up. So, and
oh.
there's no way I can work with them remotely if I couldn't.
Yeah. But
So that was
your experience in analytics stage gave you that step, brought you
yes,
into
yes,
that door.
yes. So even when even in my partnership this thing, and now because I work for Analytic and we are looking at helping blockchain do programs in Africa. That's basically the user proposition. So now I can better understand their usage, like their blockchain. I can, you know, work around their GitHub and everything because of this understanding, this advantage. I can even write a small query around what they are doing to know, okay, what can I use in my messaging to say one
Yeah,
or two things while reaching
yeah.
out to them. So it's a huge advantage, and I really appreciate Analytics Stage for setting up this platform and making sure that you get the best out of it.
Awesome. I think I love that, and congratulations. I quickly align with what you said when you talked about getting to have an advantage of using analytics in your marketing and growth strategy that you are creating for your current company. Yeah, and I would like to ask a question. So, like, tell us about some of the real world projects like that you've worked on. You mentioned that okay, you have 3 dashboards now. So I wanted to share your experience. What are some of those projects that you've worked on, during your cohort 5 program and during the mentorship program? So what did this project teach you and what did you learn?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right. So let me use one of the projects as an example. So
Okay.
I've worked on a dashboard that compares to DEX, that's a sushi swap and pancake swap. So I come
Okay.
from a background in political science, and one of the courses we did there was a comparative politics. And the reason why
Wow.
we compare is to know what is working here and know what is not working here and try to improve on it. So this particular dashboard, I was able to generate insight which one is doing better. Even for projects, within an organization, they can also carry out a comparative analysis between their product and their competition to be able
Yeah.
to find out, okay, what are my competitors doing that I'm not doing?
Yeah.
Businesses do it, and now you have to do it on chain because these are the things that matters. What are the real users doing? What are the insights generated? So from there, you can know, okay, what are the strategies these people are using to get this
Mm.
number of users? How do I
Yeah.
improve on that or double on what I'm doing? If something is working, you can be able to double on it. So
Yeah.
yes, I also compared. After that, I also did work on Grass Solana. Grass is a project that uses our free bandwidth. So I also did some analysis on Grass and to know how they are faring since launch. So these particular experiences,
Yeah.
had made it um, had exposed me. Let me use that
Yeah.
word. Had exposed me to dig deeper. To understand how other utility projects how they behave
How to
because
be. Yeah.
because there is this hype around utility projects most of the time, and it's always okay. They are the best, in terms because they have value. But at the same time, Grass, for instance, now apart from that first period or first 6 months of it,
Yeah.
the token has not really been doing really well after those first.
And you are
Then
able to see it from the dashboard.
yes, I've been able to see it from dashboard, although their token is not really strong, even up till now. I think I have some grass that I did not sell. That's why I'm passionate about that. I have some grass I claim the token and I did not sell it. So
Okay.
and
All right. So if I may ask you, like, what's your next step in your career now that you have been well equipped with on-chain data analytics skills? What's your next step in your career?
okay, so let me first also talk about the mentorship because I have not mentioned it. So that particular mentorship for after the initial cohort 5, the normal program. So I was
Yeah.
opportune to be part of the mentorship, and so far our tutor is like, it's as if we are having personal class with a tutor that is always there guiding us.
Always.
Whatever query you have, whatever problem you have, whatever challenge, at any time you send a message, drop it on the group. He's always there to. So this one advantage that I don't take for. So with all these programs and projects around, it helps me already to map out like that after this thing now, it's not ending here. But I'm taking this to a bigger level. So like say the next 6 months, I know I'm applying for more analytic and research and growth role. I'm applying for more, and not just applying, I'm going to get into one. And also even if it's not related analytically or research related, then I can also use that advantage, because I don't think anything we see someone that can query on chain, that can go on chain and bring out insight, and go for someone that cannot do it. So these are my steps. My steps are just really basically improving on the knowledge I already have, build more dashboard, apply for more roles, get more roles, and go
That's
forward.
beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful and a great experience from you. So last question now. What would you tell someone, like what advice would you give someone who is like considering to join Analytic Sage program, like our cohort programs in the future?
So I would say, let me start from the doubts I had, because I did not come from a technical background. So I know most people, when they see it, they will think, this might be technical, too technical. Though you are writing programming language, so it's actually technical. So, but the good thing here is that.
Can you come again? You say what?
I say that I did not come from a technical background. So,
okay.
And for a potential cohort member, the person might think, okay, this might be too technical for me. So, but the good thing here is that Analytic Sage already made it easy. The tutors, everybody here want you to succeed. And they teach, if Apostle teach you and you don't understand, they have issue. So, and it's not just Apostle, the disciples, the people after him, so, and they are like that. So the program is well structured. That's just the word. It's well structured to set you up for success. So you're not missing anything. Once you have checked your what you are doing and what you want to do further, and you are sure that on-chain analytics comes in, then this is the best place you can start. Even as a newbie, this is the best place you can start. You are already querying, you're already writing SQL. This is the best place to improve, because you join a community of people doing it on a daily basis, sharing their wins, sharing their losses, sharing every journey along the way, and you see people motivating you, and see people. This is just a tribe of people doing things on chain. So you have nothing to lose giving Analytic Sage a try.
Awesome. Thank you very much for your time, and we are so happy to have you. We love that you are making progress in your career and also the next steps you are taking. Thank you very much for joining us and sharing your experience with us. Have a great time. Bye.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.